Discover the secrets to achieving seamless collaboration in construction projects through effective communication. In this video, we unveil 7 strategies that will transform your project communication, enhance teamwork, and drive remarkable outcomes. From streamlining communication channels to cultivating a collaborative project culture, we provide fresh insights and actionable tips for construction project managers. Get ready to unlock the power of communication and take your projects to new heights. Communication is the lifeblood of successful construction project management. With numerous stakeholders, complex project scopes, and tight deadlines, the ability to foster seamless collaboration is vital. In this video, we will unveil the secrets of successful construction project communication and provide you with 7 strategies to enhance collaboration among project teams, subcontractors, and stakeholders. These unique and actionable insights will empower you to optimize your communication processes, drive efficiency, and achieve outstanding project outcomes. 1. Streamlining communication channels. Simplify and optimize. To improve communication flow, it is crucial to streamline the channels used within your construction projects. Explore different communication methods, such as face-to-face meetings, emails, project management software, and real-time messaging apps. Identify the most effective channels for your specific project needs and implement them consistently to ensure clear and efficient communication. 2. Establishing clear project objectives and expectations. The foundation of communication. Clear project objectives and expectations are the bedrock of successful communication. Define measurable goals, establish roles and responsibilities, and communicate them effectively to all stakeholders. This alignment sets the stage for productive collaboration, minimizes confusion, and ensures everyone is working towards a common goal. 3. Embracing technology tools for enhanced collaboration. Efficiency at your fingertips. Leverage technology tools designed for construction project management, such as cloud-based document sharing platforms, project management software, and collaborative online platforms. These tools facilitate centralized communication, real-time updates, and seamless collaboration among project teams, enabling efficient information sharing and enhancing overall project productivity. 4. Active listening and feedback mechanisms, fostering engagement and trust. Effective communication is a two-way process. Encourage all stakeholders to share their insights, concerns, and ideas to cultivate a culture of active listening. Implement regular feedback mechanisms, such as project status updates, progress meetings, and structured feedback sessions, to foster engagement, address issues promptly, and build trust among project team members. 5. Clear and concise documentation, the backbone of communication. Accurate and comprehensive documentation is essential for efficient project communication. Establish standardized documentation processes and templates for contracts, change orders, progress reports, and other crucial project documents. Clear and concise documentation ensures that information is readily accessible, reduces ambiguity, and minimizes misunderstandings among project stakeholders. 6. Effective risk communication, mitigating challenges proactively. Risks are an inherent part of construction projects. Develop a robust risk communication strategy that enables timely identification, assessment, and mitigation of potential risks. Facilitate open discussions and encourage proactive sharing of risk-related information among project team members to ensure everyone is well informed and can take actions to mitigate risks effectively. 7. Cultivating a collaborative project culture, building strong relationships. Communication thrives in a collaborative project culture. Foster an environment that encourages teamwork, trust, and open dialogue. Promote a sense of shared responsibility and collective problem solving. By nurturing strong relationships among project stakeholders, you create a foundation for effective communication and seamless collaboration throughout the project lifecycle. Successful construction project communication is the key to achieving seamless collaboration and driving outstanding project outcomes. By implementing these 7 strategies, you can transform your communication processes and enhance collaboration among project teams, subcontractors, and stakeholders. Embrace these fresh insights, and watch as your construction projects thrive through effective communication and seamless collaboration. Subscribe now to our channel for more valuable resources, expert guidance, and actionable tips on construction project management. Unlock the power of communication and elevate your construction projects to new heights. Thanks for watching.